Welcome to Tidy Habits Ultimate Cleaning Hacks video. In this video, we'll share a variety of cleaning tips and tricks to help you achieve a sparkling clean home. Whether you're tackling the kitchen, bathroom, or general cleaning tasks, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Kitchen cleaning hacks. Clean oven racks. Sprinkle baking soda on oven racks. Next, spray with vinegar, and then let sit before wiping clean. Freshen garbage disposal. Drop lemon slices and ice cubes into the garbage disposal, then run it for a fresh scent. Remove grease from stove burners. Soak stove burners in vinegar and baking soda solution to dissolve grease. Bathroom cleaning tips. Grout cleaning. Scrub grout with a mixture of lemon and baking soda to remove stains. Soap scum removal. Use a mixture of vinegar and water to dissolve soap scum on shower doors. Fog-free mirrors. Prevent bathroom mirrors from fogging by applying shaving cream and wiping clean. General cleaning hacks. Pet hair removal. Use a squeegee to easily remove pet hair from carpets and upholstery. Dust-free baseboards. Wipe baseboards with dryer sheets to repel dust and keep them cleaner longer. Electronic screen cleaning. Clean electronic screens with microfiber cloths and rubbing alcohol for a streak-free shine. Thank you for watching Tidy Habits Ultimate Cleaning Hacks video. We hope you found these tips and tricks helpful in achieving a sparkling clean home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cleaning tips and tricks, and be sure to leave a comment sharing your favorite cleaning hack or requesting topics for future videos. Happy cleaning! Get your home sparkly clean with Tidy Habit.